of Administrative Management College and Advanced Management College.
I now request our beloved chairman, Dr. K.R. Paramahansa, and our principal, Dr. P. Srinivas Rao, to give away the Sports Excellence Awards. The first category is discus throw boys. First prize Likhit, second MBA B. Second prize Anil Kumar, second MBA. Third prize Kanta Raju, second MBA. Hundred meters boys, Saurabh Kanija, first prize 4th BBM, Sarath S, second prize 4th MBA, Prithvi Raju K, third prize 4th MBA. Hundred meters boys, Saurabh Kanija, first prize 4th BBM, Sharath S, second prize 4th MBA, Prithvi Raju K, third prize 4th MBA. Hundred meters girls, Rupashri S, first prize, second MCA, Punguri, second prize, second MCA, Samreen Ziba, third prize, second MBA. The next category is 200-meter girls. First prize goes to Monica HR, BCom. Second prize Shalini Shah, second BBM. Third prize goes to Shiri, second BBM.
तुझको एक नजर मेरी तलाश हो जैसे ख्वाब है आँखों में बसे मेरी वैसे नींदों पे सिलवटे पड़े तेरी.
Next event 200 meters boys, Jishnu first prize 4th BHM, Sarath S second prize 4th MBA, Vijay Kumar third prize second MBA ADMC. The next category is shot put boys. Arjun first prize MBA ADMC. Shoblong second prize 4th MBA. Umesha third prize 4th MBA. Shot put girls, Rupashri first prize, second MCA, Samreen Ziba second prize, second MBA, Pungudi third prize, second MCA. Long jump girls, TR Shweta first prize, fourth BCom, Monica second prize, second BCom, and Rupashri G third prize, second MCA. Long jump boys, K Prashant first prize, second MBA, Ankur Basumatari second prize, second BHM, Abdul Ghafoor third prize, second MCA.
सोचे दिल के ऐसा काश हो तुझको एक नजर मेरी तलाश हो जैसे
Javelin throw girls, Rupashri G first prize, second MCA, Samreen Ziba second prize, second MBA, Pungudi third prize, second MCA.
मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा.
Throw ball girls, Shalini Shah and group are the winners. Shalini Shah and group are the winners for throw ball girls. The runners team is Shobha Gupta and group from 4th MBA. Javelin throw boys, Umesh first prize, 4th MBA, Naveen second prize, 2nd MBA, Govardhan third prize, 4th MBA. Next event, table tennis boys, Aror first prize, 2nd BHM, Sumit second prize, 6th BHM,
मर जावा
please give a round of applause for the winners.
तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा.
Table tennis girls, Tina Kalyan first prize, 4th MBA, Rupashri second prize, 2nd MCA.
मर जावा
Please guys, a round of applause. Carom girls, first prize Tina Kalyan, Shobha Gupta, both from 4th MBA. Second prize Rupashri and Pungudi from 2nd MCA.
तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा.
Chess girls, Anunya first prize 4th BCA, Rupashri second prize 2nd MCA.
सोचे दिल के
Next event, triple jump boys. Prashant first prize 2nd MBA, Chetan TC second prize 4th MBA, Bharat Kumar third prize 4th MBA.
आँखों में बसे मेरी बसे नींदों पे
Chess boys, Raghu winners 6M BHM, K Abdul Ghafoor runner up 2nd MCA.
ख्वाहिश भी तो बेहद है मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं
Triple jump, Prashant first prize 2nd MBA, Chetan TC second prize 4th MBA, Bharat Kumar third prize 4th MBA. Chess boys, Raghu is the winner of 6th BHM, K Abdul Ghafoor runner up from 2nd MCA. Carom boys, K Abdul Ghafoor first prize 2nd MCA and Subhash Chandra Bose from 2nd MCA. Second prize goes to Sri Kumar and Jishnu both from 4th BHM.
मर जाऊं
400 relay boys, Bharat Kumar and group first prize.
मर जाऊं
Second prize is Deepak BN and group. Third prize is Sandeep R and group. Please give a round of applause for the winners.
मेरे सपनों का जैसे खत है हाय गिरी गिरी चाहत की जैसे लत है मर जाऊं तेरे इश्क पे
Bharat Kumar and group
मर जाऊं
first prize. Deepak BN and group second prize.
तेरे इश्क पे मर जाऊं
Sandeep R and group third prize. Relay girls 4 into 100 meters, Shiri Reddy and group first prize. Shobha Gupta and group are your runners for this event. Discus throw girls. First prize Rupashri from MCA, Tina Kalyan second prize 4th MBA, Bhushita Nagraj third prize 2nd BBM.